Since 1993, Arnir provides full turnkey solutions, specializing in the design, development and production of cabling and connectivity solutions, connectors and electromechanical projects. The variety of products and the ability to adjust the production lines to every demand makes Arnir a leading manufacturer in the market. The Arnir management team combines extensive business and technical expertise together with a proven track record in delivering solutions for the medical, military, and communications industries. Arnir is located in a 3,000 square meter factory situated in the heart of the Israeli high-tech industry area. Arnir is committed to providing the highest quality of products and services to customers by consistently meeting and exceeding customer expectations for product quality and performance, providing timely delivery to meet customer requirements, and by continuously improving our products and processes. Our engineering department consists of highly experienced professionals offering comprehensive solutions from development and design through the prototype stages to providing full production runs in Israel and abroad. We also offer improvements and cost reduction solutions for existing products. Arnir specializes in the design and manufacture of a wide range of cables and connectors for the medical market, providing support to our customers from the early stages of development, prototypes, and product qualification, testing, and process validation. We are certified to ISO 13485 for medical devices and provide build-to-print and build-to-spec services, as well as new product development and assembly services for medical and paramedical companies. We specialize in build-to-spec production of a wide range of military and aerospace cable assemblies and wiring, combining power, signals, and RF assemblies. In addition, we offer subsystems assembly, from PCBA and wiring to fully assembled enclosures and systems in full turnkey solutions that include testing and integration. We are AS9100D certified for aviation, space, and defense applications. Arnir designs, manufactures, and distributes an extensive line of radio frequency coaxial connectors and cable solutions used in wireless telecommunications applications. We have extensive experience with all types of coax cables and connectors for a wide range of applications. In 2019, Arnir acquired Electro-Galil, a company with many years of experience in military, civil, and medical application PCB assembly services, as well as wiring and electromechanical assembly. In 2021, Arnir acquired FTK Solutions, a company that specializes in production of cables, harnesses, and electromechanical systems. Provides high-level electronics, manufacturing, and integration services, specializing in providing full turnkey solutions for the entire manufacturing process. Arnir, from idea to complete solution.